If you've got blown out gaskets or you're just looking to rebuild your top end, Cylinder Works top end gasket kits are the right choice. These kits contain the necessary gaskets to rebuild your top end. Kits include head, base, exhaust gaskets, and O-rings necessary when removing the cylinder and head during routine maintenance. The Cylinder Works brand offers enthusiasts quick and affordable access to a complete line of OEM quality and big bore top end replacements. These gaskets will not let you down. If you're looking for long-lasting quality you can depend on, ride after ride, it's gotta be Cylinder Works. Get your gasket kits today, starting right around that $70 mark. If you have any questions or comments, contact us at 515-402-8000 or visit us at cylinder-works.com and fill out that Contact Us form. Get new now. Get Cylinder Works.